to another video. This is all about my room, which soon will be not my room basically. So I will be doing a room tour before moving. This being episode 1 of my moving series. Also, the room is a bit messy because I've been organizing what things I will be taking first to my other home and what later on, so it might be a bit messy. But let's go! First of all, we have my bed, my beautiful bed where I sleep, rest, cry, and just relax. Then we have our side table or lamp table, I'm not really sure. I have my water bottle, some markers for my board here. I have this random nail paints which I used some days ago. I have this control for my beautiful lights which has a fan and a speaker. Then we have my beautiful iPads and my glasses. Going down here, we have my broken laptop. Then we have my journal and the book I'm reading right now. And then below that I have some copybooks, which I don't really use because most of them are complete. Then we move on to our gym part and my guitar, which I'm going to sell because I don't use it anymore. These are just random things I put here. No, I have to declutter my room, but that's another video. So I have my equipment of gym, exercise, workout. I have also my mats. Now let's move on to my desk. This is my chair. Is actually so comfortable. I usually passed my whole time here, but since my Wi-Fi is only working outside now, I sit down outside in the living, in the dining table to do most of the things. I also have my computer usually here, my laptop. So there's not much, but random things. This is the schedule for the semester. I have some to-do list which was months ago. This is the whole career of graphic design. I have this also semester thing. Then I have some crochets, ideas. Then I have some doctor appointments. These are graphic design things and content creator things. Then we have our pile of papers and papers. A lot of papers, which most of them are important, but I do have to declutter and throw out a little bit of them. That's also another video. Then we have here beautiful pens, sparkly pens. Then I have some copybooks I usually use. I have then useful pens and I have a brush also here for some reason. And then I have some pencils and also what I'm crocheting right now. Then moving on, we have 2 drawers here. First drawer, it is full of papers, post-its and clips and little tape also, washi tapes. And on the other drawer, I have 3 calculators. I have tape, washi tape, normal tape. I have pen drive and batteries. Then I have this stapler thingies and I have a pencil case of other random things. And also I forgot to mention, I also have a calendar here. Also I forgot to mention, above the desk and everything, I have books that are on my list. I have to read all those books. And then I have a moonlights and also my baseball ball actually, that my teacher gave me when I graduated. And that is little me when I was I think 8-9 months probably. Let's move on to my, it's like other furniture which also will be sold because I don't really use it, I just have it for decoration. I used it before for my TV stand, now it's just a decoration. This furniture decoration, I had my TV in the middle like here. Now I have the printer, this random video that doesn't work, which it is just for aesthetics, and there's also cactus which I also lost the charger of it, so it doesn't work. This famous cactus that, you know, copies everything you say. This is a secret. This is completely secret because actually it's a mess right now inside. I have like random headphones, pen drives, papers, a lot of blank papers, you know, for the printer and other papers. For this section, these are my Korean books. I have my painting palette, which was for the painting I last painted. I have oil colors here. There's water to wash my brushes, which is not actually water. It is that thingy to wash oil colors, you know, oil painting. And then I have a lot of markers here. And down here, it's also a mess. I have my K-pop posters that I also want to sell because I don't really want to put it on the wall. Those are more oil painting and just random things. Now moving on, it's my closet. Finally, we go by my closet. Now we open this beautiful closet. I mean, it's better than it usually is. Let's go one by one. Okay, so we have our bag section here on the right corner. I have my purses sections, which I don't really have much purses, but I have my purse collection. This is my sweater collection, which is a lot. This is also going to be here, this little sweater. And this is my undergarment sections. This is my winter section, which has like gloves and scarf. Then I have my socks section here. Then we move on to our tops sections. I have long sleeve tops and short sleeve tops. Then I have my jeans pants / pants section. Then down below is the shorts section and some random pants that didn't fit on this one. And then I have my sleeping clothes or home clothes basically, which also I have it here down below. Right here I have all my jackets until here, and then I have this shirts. I don't really have much but shirts, and then I have like this little crop tops. And down below it's a bit of a mess, but you know, here in this box I have swimming suits, bikinis and all that, summer things. I also have some winter things on that box. This is my home clothes also. Down here I have my sandals and my slippers. Right side I have all my boots and shoes. And that is all for my closet. Let's move on to my next closet. Okay, to our next closet. It's a bit of everything basically. So here we have a puzzle. It is a 2000 pieces puzzle. Then we have a casino roulette. I don't know why we have it here, but I have a casino roulette which is for drinking basically. Then I have a projector here, which I do want to use it in my new room, because here I couldn't use it because I didn't have a computer before. Here I have Julian bracelets, Indian bracelets. Then the usually bracelets are here. in this thingy, in this beautiful thingy, bracelets. Then here I have my K-pop albums, my graduation hat here, and like behind that I have books that I don't use and I cannot donate it and I cannot sell it. Then in this part we have perfumes, and then we have our jewelry and accessories collection. I have my necklaces here, my rings here, and my earrings here. I also have glasses here, a lot of glasses. And on this drawers, I have just random things, to be honest. I have some cards. Here I have games, cards. I have this, my favorite cube, Rubik's Cube. Then we have our crochet section. Here we also have random things. The third drawer is the electronics drawer, which is also a complete mess. On this section, I have my scarves, my bags, tote bags, my belts. And down here, first of all, we have our crochet projects. This box has oil painting and painting in general, I think. Behind are my paintings. Down here, let me just sit down. We have a lot of papers. Papers. And you know, some artworks I did in school, my workbooks, big workbooks, and also some gift wrapping paper. And lastly, stationery stuff, painting stuff, and empty folders. And nothing else. Just a simple room, not really interesting. I do want to actually show you the view of my room. It's basically a white wall in front of it, but if you go on the left, this is the view of my beautiful room. It is only the top parts of a church and some trees. But yeah, that is all for the video. Let me know, how did you like this room? Probably not a very good room to be inspired, but I did wanted to do a room tour before moving, since I never actually showed you my room. So yeah, that is all for the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. See you on the next episodes of this moving series. Bye bye.